road repair. Hi, I'm Zeke, and this is my stuffy snout. We're on a top secret mission to decorate the neighborhood with things our friends love. But first, we have to fill holes in the road so I can ride across. Tap here to get started. Who should we decorate for first? Zadie, Malik, Junjun, or Ellie? Tap my sister Zadie. Here are some of her favorite things. Soccer balls, piñatas, jack-o'-lanterns. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Jack-o'-lanterns. Okay, Snout, we need to get across the road. Oh no! There's a hole in the road and we can't get across. Snout says we can fill the hole with shapes. Then we can get across. Let's try it. Tap the play button when the hole is filled. Hooray! You worked it out! Zadie loves jack-o'-lanterns. Now there are 2 holes to fill. Let's fill one hole at a time. How about this one first? You got it! Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Tap the arrow button to try the next level. Or press this button to play this level again, a different way. Wow, this is a big problem. We have 3 holes to fill. Remember, let's take it one hole at a time. You can take out shapes you don't need. Woohoo! You solved a really big problem. Uh-oh, a shape is in our way. You can move shapes from one hole to another hole. Now you try. Yes, we made it all the way across the road. The neighborhood looks so nice, and Zadie is so happy.